Okay, so here is notes for Unit 7, Lesson 1, and this is on area and perimeter. So remember when you're talking about perimeter, perimeter is the sum of all the outsides. So perimeter is the sum of the outsides. And when we say sum, we mean that we do addition. You're adding all the sides. Okay. Area, however, on the other side, area is the inside space. Area is always measured in square units. So what I mean by that is like centimeters squared, inches squared, so on and so forth. Your area formula differs based on what kind of a shape you have. So if you're talking about shapes like parallelograms, you have that basic area equals base times height. That's for parallelograms. I don't think I spelled that right. If you're looking at your triangle, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, because a triangle is half of a rectangle or half of a parallelogram. And then the new one that we're going to look at this today is the trapezoid formula, area of a trapezoid, where area is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times your height. B1 and B2 are the bases. So those are the formulas you're going to be using most often when you're talking about area and perimeter. A new one that we'll be looking at in this unit will be the area of a circle, which will be pi r squared. We're not going to use that one this lesson, but we will in our next. The last little piece of thing that I want to talk about is a complex shape. Complex shapes are just made up of multiple shapes. So it's like a triangle and a rectangle put together, a rectangle and a rhombus put together. Made up of multiple shapes, you're going to need to use multiple area formulas. And the best thing you can do when dealing with complex shapes is to split it up into smaller shapes. And we'll see what we mean in future examples.